Welcome back to our channel. If you like making money online, this is the channel for you. Make sure to subscribe at the conclusion of this video so you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and switch on notifications to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting approach for generating money online. So let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money using this app that pays $2,000 by playing games for free. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and even earn more money. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Okay, today we'll discuss an app that I recently discovered and think you'll appreciate. This is one of the best make money online apps, and I made money using the aforementioned app to verify the program's legitimacy and capacity to get you paid. I'll also show you a lot of reviews, and like I indicated before, there are bonus apps for those who stay to the end. The app in question is GiftPlay, which can be found at giftplay.io. As previously stated, this software essentially compensates you for playing games. We pay to play free mobile games, earn money, and be rewarded with gift cards. There is one drawback. The software is only accessible for Android at the moment, not iOS. However, I believe that this will change in the not too distant future. This app has a feature that I really like. You don't have to play a game for a set length of time because you get rewarded. You earn money for every minute you spend playing the game. If you play for longer periods of time, you will undoubtedly make more money. Let's face it, everyone watching this enjoys playing games, and it's also a far more pleasurable way to make money than, say, surveys or other methods that are laborious and time-consuming to complete and pay poorly. Now, if you scroll down here, you'll find that it says, "Are you looking for an app that pays you to play games?" Introducing GiftPlay, an app that allows you to earn money and gift cards by playing games with no purchase required, no paying to win, and therefore this app is entirely free to use. You can see that you get paid in coins, which you can then trade for cash, but they also offer you opportunity to make money by referring others. You can either encourage some of your friends and families to play this game or promote it in one of the many Make Money Online forums. For example, this will allow you to earn a few dollars here and there while being completely passive, which is fantastic. This program will pay you via PayPal, and you can exchange your coins for PayPal Cash or a variety of top brand gift cards, including Amazon, Google Play, and iTunes. So you have the option of using gift cards or PayPal, which is excellent because I know a lot of people who are interested in this. Another characteristic worth noticing is that huge selection of games are available. This program offers a wide range of games to choose from, as well as different game types. There are games for casual strategy, action puzzle, adventure arcade, and a range of other genres. As mentioned right here, you are free to play any game you choose while collecting coins. However, outside of Europe and North America, the number of titles offered is currently limited. They're not going to change anytime soon, in my opinion. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Anyway, if you go to their homepage, you can see how this will look on your phone. And it looks fantastic to me. And I bet you'll agree. After that, I'd like to show you something I said I'd show you. The app's actual rating are very important. You can see them for yourself by going to Google Play, as I did. And this app has one of the best reviews I've ever seen. It has a 4-star rating based on over 2,000 reviews. This demonstrates far more than I could that we're dealing with a genuine app. As you can see below, the vast majority of users gave it 5 stars. So it works, and they've paid out tens of thousands of people all across the world. So folks, go ahead and give this app a try. You've got nothing to lose, and I promise you won't be disappointed. Now that that's out of the way, I do have a bonus for those people who want to make even more money, as I mentioned at the start. Instead of then just playing games, I'll show you how to make money by doing other things on this next platform. The website in question, like the original software, is called iRazoo.com. This website provides you with numerous opportunities to earn money. You can download apps, watch movies, and do surveys, which, as always, I do not recommend, as well as complete offers, as I previously indicated. Last but not the least, you can make money by playing video games. As you can see, they will pay you in cash or gift cards when it comes to payment. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. They've paid out over $100 million so far, and if you're wondering if this is true, you can see that CNN, Yahoo, The Wall Street Journal, and other media outlets are included, which would not be the case if it wasn't. Here's how it works. First, you must register on the website. Second, you must earn points by playing games, completing surveys, or other means. And third, you must select your prizes. As you can see, they also provide Amazon gift cards, but if you prefer to be paid in cash, PayPal is also an option. You can learn more about iRazoo here, but I won't go over it in detail because I don't want this video to be too long. Simply click join in the upper right corner, enter your email address, first and last names, and password, and then click create account right here. Or connect with Facebook to get started faster. If you want to create an account by email, go to your Gmail account, open a message that looks like this, and click on Activate your iRazoo account. You will then be able to start earning money. So those are the programs I'd want to share with you today. Now, the first one is my favorite. I've reviewed a lot of apps, and that's without a doubt one of the best I've seen. And it's also got me paid rather well. However, merging 2 of the apps I showed you today is a good idea. So rather than using iRazoo or Giftplay, use the 2 to maximize your profits and make the most money. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention, and I hope to see you on the next video.